कमिश्नर सिटी पुलिस अंजनी कुमार ने कहा कि हैदराबाद में ज़रई सरगर्मियां न के बराबर हैं और ऐसी सूरत में गांजे की काश्त का सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता। कमिश्नर पुलिस सालाना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में मीडिया के नुमाइंदों के सवाल का जवाब दे रहे थे।
Narcotic Control Bureau (NCB), they also have their own internet site. You can go through all that. Compared to Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, all big cities, Hyderabad is the safest city as far as drug is concerned. The chemical drugs are minimum here, minimum. The only complaint here was 2 months back was of ganja, which was coming from other state. In Hyderabad city, there is no agricultural land, so there is no question of any cultivation of ganja. Whatever is coming is because of the pilferage, which is going from one neighboring state to another neighboring state. And Hyderabad City Police, our task force, has even apprehended 12 people from Maharashtra and other states. So there is no, I cannot say that 100% there is no drugs. There are drugs, but everything is relative, and compared to the big cities of India, there is minimum amount of drugs in Hyderabad. Jordan has very rightly informed that when special drives were also launched, then all the seizures mostly was ganja. There was no opium and cocaine seizure here. So it is not there. There is, please do not compare Hyderabad with Bombay and other places. I don't want to talk about other things. Jimilo chustunaru peda city lo hemautundi, but Hyderabad lo ipadi. There is nothing to worry about. Whatever little doubt is there, that will also disappear with awareness. Manaki maximum cases what we have is of ganja and ecstasy tablet. That's all. Cocaine and other things are very minimum as per the statistics.
नाज़रीन, हमारे टीटीवी न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए, शेयर करिए और लाइक करना ना भूलें। और किसी एडवर्टाइजमेंट से मुताल्लिक़ जानकारी के लिए हमारे इस नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कीजिए। हमारा नंबर है 9550102020।